What's up guys, it's me Gmail. So here is the Samsung 128GB UHS1 card. If you don't know, you can use this Samsung card to install the apps if you're using the HTC 11 or 12 plus. You can use as an internal storage. So here's my unboxing and review. It comes with a 10-year warranty. Is this speed up to the expectation which we have or not? Let's find out. Jump to the unboxing table and then we are going to do some speed test. Samsung EVO Select 4K MicroSD card. Let me open with my Swiss scissor. Yes, my Swiss scissor. Okay, let me show you from the back. It's a waterproof, magnet proof, temperature proof, and accident proof. It comes with 10-year warranty life. Okay, let me open it like this. Maybe yeah. Okay, I think so. That's enough. Let me open it. Okay, like this. Okay, this is quite small to be honest with you. How I can take this one off? Okay, here we go. Here we go. And then let me take out this one also. Here we go. So now this is the Samsung 128GB MicroSD card. As you can see, I'm using for my Zoom F4 recorder. But first I'm gonna do the test of copying a 1.7GB file onto it. Let's see how fast it can copy. Okay, it's not that fast. I mean, I already tested the Sony MicroSD card which have like 59, 60 megabyte per second. Okay, it's going now up. Okay, now I'm happy. Now it's going up. Now it's going 75. Now it's faster than the Sony one also. Literally, this is one of the most fastest micro SD card out there. Literally, this is highly recommend. I can easily recommend. This is a must buy. It's getting a dip. Okay, now I'm gonna copy the file on my hard drive. Let's see how fast it can copy. 1.7 gigabyte per second. I'm literally amazed. So I can easily recommend it. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.